Hello friends, in this video I explain question of our database questionnaire. This is my 31 question. So now we see our question. In this question also we continue the previous question database to answer our questions. Now we see our first question. Create a product table to store production information. To do so, use this instruction below. So I create the product table. First column is product ID, primary key auto increment. Second column is product name, voucher 45. Third column is description. Data type is text. Our second question is create a table called brand to store product brands. To use this instruction below. So now we create our brand table. First column is brand ID, primary key auto increment. Second column is brand name, voucher 45. Now we see our next question. Create a table called GR to store the bill details provided by the suppliers when selling the vector to the store. To do this, so use the instruction below. So now I create GRN table. First column is GR ID, primary key auto increment. Second column is GR date. Data type is date time. So I create my GR table. Then we see our next question. Create a table called GR item to store information about the question of goods suppliers to the store the suppliers. To do, use the instruction below. Now we create our GR item table. First column is quantity, integer. Second column is unit price. Data type is double. Third column is selling price. Data type is double. Now we see our next question. Create a table called stock to store the information about the quantities of items currently available for selling in the store. To do so, use the instruction below. So now we create our stock table. First column is stock ID, primary key auto increment. Second column is quantity. Data type is integer. Third column is selling price. Data type is double. So now we see our next question. Create a table called invoice to store the bill details provided to the customers when they purchase goods for the store. To do so, use the instruction below. Now we create our invoice table. First column is invoice ID, primary auto increment. Second column is date. Date type is date. Our last question is create a table called invoice item to store the details of goods given to the customer after purchase the goods for the store. To do so, use the instruction below. So I create the invoice item table. First column is invoice ID, auto increment, primary key. Second column is quantity, data type is integer. So this is our answer to the question 32. Thank you.